G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we're doing an unboxing of the Reno4 5G by Oppo. Big shout out to Oppo for sending us out for review, much appreciated. We're also doing an unboxing of the Oppo Reno4Z 5G, so that'll be up next. But for now, we're doing the Oppo Reno4 5G. 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. Color on this one is space black. Pretty excited. Let's just get straight into it. This comes with a Snapdragon 765G, Android 10, Color OS version 7.2. It's a 6.4 inch AMOLED display. Only 60 Hz on this one, which doesn't worry me. I don't really care about the hertage. The hertage. That sounds pretty funny. Don't really care about the hertage. Oh, there we go. Now, with most Oppo devices, you do get a case. I'd be surprised not to see one in here. SIM ejection tool, books and stuff, and a nice clear case, because no one likes waiting around to get a case on eBay while you're carrying your phone bareback. That's fraught with danger. Here's the device itself. Now, let's see. Do they beat Apple and put a charger in the box? Of course they do. 65 watt dart charging, Super VOOC dart charging, 65 watt, that's incredible. USB Type C, yes, and a small pair of headphones. But we won't be using those headphones because ta-da! They're also giving us a look at the Oppo Enco W51s to review as well. So stay tuned for that. Man, what a nice phone. You know what? This is like aimed at, I don't know if it is or not, but I'm just going to say it is, aimed at like Google Pixel. Because of the price, this is like I said, full retail, $7.99. Let's power this on. What a nice looking display. Look at that. Space black it's called, but it looks mystic. Look at the colors in that. Love it. There's your USB Type C. Microphone, SIM card tray, speaker up the top here as well. Power button on the right hand side, volume up and down on the left. Microphone on the top. Wow, it's just an awesome looking device. Camera on this, you've got 48 megapixel standard, 8 megapixel wide, and a 2 megapixel, I think it's a depth sensor. And then on the front, you have a 32 megapixel and a 2 megapixel. So it has absolutely cameras spec'd out to the max. I just love how good it looks. I can't wait to get this thing started. Just jumping back in here to enroll the face. How quick was that? Super fast. Fingerprint, let's add a fingerprint. Don't want any misfires. Right, we're here for an unboxing and to check the camera. Let's go straight into it. Yes, I agree. Oh, you know what? I can just tell already that it looks amazing. Let's just take our first photo. Bang. Let's go check that out. This is with the standard lens. Pretty nice. Let's do the old photo of the old CW rock. Oh, love it. So you got 10 times digital zoom as well. But here is the standard zoom. Here is the wide angle. Let's go have a look. Oops, actually, that's 5 times zoom. And then go back into Google Photos. There's your 5 times zoom. That looks pretty clear to me. And here's our wide angle. Let me turn this up a bit. Wide angle. Is that too bright? That's a very wide shot. And your standard shot there. Look at the detail in that. I love it. It's amazing. All right, who wants to see a selfie? You all know that you love CW Tech selfies more than I do. Let's have a look at this. I think I just did the old raised eyebrow trick, where where you raise your eyebrows to make it look like you're surprised. Look at the beauty mode. Oh my goodness, I'm so beautiful. That's incredible. That's a really good photo, actually. For a selfie, I mean, everyone wants to look good in a selfie. This is the only time I take selfies, but if you want to look good in a selfie, then this camera is going to make you really happy. First impressions, looks really amazing, really sharp, really clean, nice looking device. One you'd be happy to take out of your pocket. That camera setup is amazing. I'm going to be doing a full review into this camera settings and capabilities. I'll go and set this up. Let's just check that fingerprint unlock. That was pretty fast. I did like that. Double tap, fingerprint unlocked. The Oppo Reno4 5G Snapdragon 765G, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, 60Hz display, but it's a 6.4-inch AMOLED display. It's killer. Look at it. That's incredible. I really, really like this device. Already, the size of it, look at that. Fits in my hands perfectly. And it's a 6.4-inch display. Just awesome. Absolutely awesome. Let's get it in the case so I don't wreck it. Next one I'm going to be unboxing is the Oppo Reno4Z 5G. But I'm also going to be unboxing, oh yeah, the Oppo Watch. I can't wait to test this out. The old Samsung Galaxy Watch has taken a hammering lately, and it's about time it had a decent competitor, because all these other ones I've been trying out haven't knocked this one off its perch yet, but I'm sure the Oppo Watch will. So this is going to be unboxed and fully reviewed as well. How exciting. Love that pretty display. Glass on the back as well as the front. See how quick that face unlocked? Let's do that again. Unlocked already. That is super fast. Oh, I'm in love. The Oppo Reno4 5G looking like a new favorite already. Let's go check out the next one. Thanks for coming along, watching everything, all that stuff. Let's go check the next video.